Take a look at that, guys. Bed Bath & Beyond stock is up over 21% right now. And what time is it? About 1:20, 1:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and it's at about 28 cents. And earlier, guys, it was at 29 cents, almost above 30 cents per share. So in this video, like you guys probably guessed, we're going to break down the charts. We're going to talk about the stock. And later in the video, if we have time, we're going to break down the markets, which right now are all over the place. So jam-packed video, guys. If you all find value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And of course, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, up to 17 stocks, each up to $2,000. Once you guys open up your account and fund it with at least $100, using that link down below, you get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which is exclusive to this channel, and you get 5 more stocks, totaling 6 stocks. And again, that's just with a $100 deposit. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks. And fund your account with at least $5,000. Listen to this, you get another free share of either Tesla or Google stock, guaranteed, on top of all the stocks you already got. So guys, the clock is ticking. You have a couple more days to do that. Use that link down below, or again, go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So again, Bed Bath & Beyond stock right now is up around 20%, up around 5 cents. It's chilling at about, what, 28 cents per share right now. And earlier in the day, guys, like I said, it was at 29 cents per share. That was at about 10:50, I believe, 11 a.m. on the East Coast. And you guys can see we opened up at around 23 to 23.5 cents. So this stock really took off in the morning, guys, from around 9:30 a.m. when the markets opened to the high, which hit at around 10:45, at least the high as of now, which again was 29 cents. And you guys can see we ended up kind of pulling back a bit, from that 29 cent high. We hit roughly 26.5 after that on a pullback. You guys can see if I zoom in a little bit, we hit 29 cents, then boom, we pulled down to 26.5. Then we rallied again, but you guys can see we actually failed to break out of 29 cents on that second rally. And now we're kind of consolidating at about 28, a little bit under 28 cents per share. So in the very short term, guys, kind of what we have here, at least the way I'm looking at it, is a wedge. Do you guys see what I'm seeing here? We have kind of lower highs being made in a sense, but at the same time, we're making higher lows. So you could argue that is a wedge on the intraday here, but you could also make an argument, depending on how you're looking at it, maybe it's a triangle. I mean, I don't know, guys. Maybe it is a triangle. Yeah, actually, it might look more like a triangle. Either way, guys, we do have this setting up on the intraday. We're up 21%, and the bulls are clearly in charge. And if you guys remember, we covered this, I believe, in my last Bed Bath & Beyond video. We talked about this other ascending triangle that it was in up until today, guys, when the ascending triangle is actually playing out. Let me actually clear the drawing set and show you guys what we covered a couple of videos ago. We talked about how we saw a clear resistance at around, I think it was roughly 23 to 23.5 cents, but at the same time, guys, during that time period, we were making some higher lows. You guys can see here. And actually, is this even the triangle that I was talking about? Either way, guys, we ran right through the 23.5 cent resistance today, which this stock's been struggling at 23 to 25 cents for the past couple of weeks. If you guys take a look here on the 20-day chart, pretty much all month we've struggled at 24, 25 cents on BBBYQ. And the fact that now we're completely breaking out, we're gapping out of the mid-20s. We actually hit almost 30 cents. That's a great sign that the bulls are here, and they're gaining some control back, some momentum. Right, momentum is definitely building, and now we're approaching the highs from the end of May and the early days of June. You guys can see here, that's where we hit, right around 29, 30 cents, right? So if we do clear above 30 cents in the short term here on BBBYQ, in my opinion, guys, we can start going 35 cents initially, 36 cents roughly, which you guys can see that was the high from the end of May. You guys can see if I pull the 4-hour up and zoom in a little bit, right? If 35 cents breaks, maybe we can start making a move towards the mid-high 40s, maybe back to the 55, 50 cent range, which these are a couple of levels from a couple weeks ago. You guys can see if I draw these out, right? Let me show you guys. guys this right here. When was that? Back in April, right? Yeah, middle of April. The weekend before, literally, guys, the weekend before Bed Bath & Beyond filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. I remember like it was yesterday. It was on the, I think it was on the 23rd of April. Yeah, this was the weekend before that. It hit a peak of 56 cents. Then it got all the way down to 4 cents. And here we are today, up hundreds of percentage points from that $4 low that we hit. When was that? Early May? Yeah, on the 3rd of May, we hit that point. So we have some big points coming up, guys. 30 cents, 35 cents from there, maybe 48, 50 cents, 55 cents. That's where this could be going. And of course, you guys know what's going on behind the scenes right now. There's an auction going on for Bbby. I believe that's wrapping up, or it's going to be on the 28th, which is on Wednesday. And there's a lot going on around that and a lot of speculation that those assets are going to be sold for a good amount of money. They're the most valuable asset that Bed Bath & Beyond owns, under its umbrella. So what do you guys think? We're getting some hype right now, some anticipation, a little bit of antsiness, and the stock's doing well. Again, up over 20%, up around 5 cents on the day as of right now. So that's BBBYQ, guys. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And as for me, what I'm doing, guys, of course, you probably know, I own a little bit of Bed Bath & Beyond, a very teeny tiny bit, a small portion of my portfolio. It's the speculative side of the portfolio that I'm willing to lose, and I'm in at 41 cents, and I'm holding on tight still. And we'll see how it plays out, guys. And I'm riding it to the dirt or to the moon. No matter where it goes, I'm going to be holding on, onto my shares. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. And let me actually show you what the markets are doing right now before we do wrap up the video. I appreciate you all for tuning in and for sticking till the end. You guys are awesome. If that's you, hit that like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. So SPY, which is the S&P 500, this is down about 0.1% right now, down 60 cents, which is not that bad. Pretty much at break even at this point, leaning more towards the red, and we're coming up on a support level right around the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, which you guys can see has held over the past couple of months. That's right around 425, 430, pretty much right where we are right now. So in my opinion, guys, that could hold as support for the bulls. Quite frankly, the bulls better be praying it does, because if that trend line breaks, we could start selling off, and the great rally that the bulls have been on could slowly start to crumble at that point. If we do start falling under the 180 SMA, we start going under 420, 410, especially 400, guys. But right now, we're holding above it, 425, 430. Let's see kind of what goes on here over the next couple of days. Really, this entire week is going to be a big week for direction, right, guys? Do we bounce off that point, or do we run right through it? And triple Q's probably right at the same spot. Yeah, right around the 180 SMA on the 4-hour time frame. It's down about 12, 13 bucks from the highs, around 3.5%, and we're approaching pretty much the 180 SMA, which has been support for the past couple of months. So you guys, you have to realize the bulls are still dominating this market. This is just a simple pullback, and I believe the NASDAQ did break an 8-week winning streak last week, potentially. I think it was 8 weeks, whatever it was. And maybe we get a green week this week, potentially, if we do bounce off of this moving average, or maybe we run right through it. Time will tell, guys. But as of now, NASDAQ is down, I forgot to mention, 0.9%. So we're having a pretty decent red day today when it comes to the tech stocks. And the Russell's up 0.5% as the Dow's up 0.1%. So the small caps out there are doing fairly well. Russell up 0.5%. And again, the Dow's up 0.1%, but we do have the VIX up 4.5%, which honestly, I think this needs to come up a good amount more. The VIX is very low in my opinion. So it is up 4.5% today, as silver's up over 2%, and we have gold up around 0.25% as of now. So what do you guys think? Pretty interesting day so far out there. We're going to make some more videos today, so make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. And before you guys click off, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, this is the best promo by far right now. Use that link down below, or go to stocksarefest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you're going to get a free share of C3AI stock, which is actually exclusive to this channel, only through that link down below. And that stock's what, 35, 40 bucks a share. And on top of that, with just a $100 deposit, you also get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000. And fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks on top of those stocks, totaling 16 stocks. And fund your account at least $5,000. Guys, listen to this. On top of all the stocks you already got, 16 stocks, you also get another free share of either Tesla or Google stock, guaranteed, which, guys, you have a couple more days to do that. The clock is ticking, so jump on it. Link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next one.